Hey guys, Brian with the Seat Shop here today to address a concern we get a lot from customers before they purchase a cover, and they're wondering how the color match is going to be on a brand new cover in a vehicle that's 15 some odd years old with 200,000 miles on it. So the secret is to clean your original seat. So clean whatever piece you're not taking out, you're not replacing. Say you're to replace the bottom cover, you need to clean the seat top. Even if it visually looks clean, there's a lot of grease and grime and sweat that's built up on that seat, and it's gonna be dirty. Once you start cleaning it, you're gonna see all the stuff that you're getting off that seat so that the color matches real well. So we've got tons and tons of reviews. Check that out if you're concerned about that. Read about the color match in all the reviews. Here's a new piece of material against this headrest. Now this is drastic because this is nasty, but you can see color match definitely looks off because it's really, really dirty. We're gonna clean this and show you how well it's gonna match after it's cleaned. But the different materials based on what year, make, model you have different grains in the material. Some of the grains are heavier where there are deeper grooves in it. Those grooves can accumulate a lot more dirt and grease and change the color quite a bit versus some smooth leathers that don't get as much down into the grooves of the material. But regardless, either grain, no matter your make, model, you need to clean your seat top or your whatever pieces are still original because when you're replacing a new piece. So when you put a new bottom in, make sure you clean the rest of the seat so they match up real well. Make sure you get a leather cleaner, unleash on that bad boy, clean it up, put the new cover in. It's gonna match up great. If it didn't match, we wouldn't be a business. That's all we do is matching color. That's if it didn't match, we wouldn't be around. So I'm gonna clean this sucker here. I'm gonna show you how it matches up with a brand new piece of vinyl here. All right, now that I got this thing scrubbed, obviously you can tell I cleaned this side. We're gonna take that color swatch. You match it up against it, you can see the color is gonna match up really, really good. Way better than over here. And we're not assuming that your interior looks like this. This is worst case scenario. But even if your truck kind of looks like this, you'll need to clean it. You'll be surprised what stuff you get off the seat. It's amazing how much stuff you'll actually get off, especially deep down in the grain of the material. But it's imperative that you clean the existing cover when you're replacing another piece in the vehicle for it to match up. I can't stress that enough. Clean it, get a good quality cleaner, scrub it. It's gonna make a big, big difference when you put your new one in there. It's gonna look like a brand new truck.